7.3 million people downloaded a scam from the Google Play Store. 28 different apps, all promising the same dodgy thing, all sitting on the Play Store for months. ESET researchers caught them and Google's pulled the lot, but the damage is done. So let me walk you through the 4 checks that would have stopped every one of these apps. Red flag 1. Look at what the app is actually offering. The CallPhantom scam promised access to other people's call logs, their SMS messages, their WhatsApp history. Think about that. That's not a feature. That's illegal. If an app is promising something that sounds criminal or impossible, walk away. The pitch alone tells you everything. Red flag 2. Check what the app asks to access. A phone editor needs photos. A note app needs storage. These scam apps claim to read other people's call history but didn't request the system level permissions they would actually need. Because they couldn't, if permissions don't match what the app says it does, something is wrong. Red flag 3. Don't trust the star rating, trust the reviews themselves. Scam apps farm fake 5 stars. Look at the patterns, lots of fake, enthusiastic 5 stars, all posted within a few days. Then sort by 1 star and read those. That's where the real users are, the ones who got scammed and came back furious. Red flag 4. Tap the developer's name and see what else they've made. A new developer with 1 app and no history, be cautious. An established developer with a real portfolio, probably safe. 60 seconds of work every time before you tap install. It's not Google's job to protect you, it's yours.